Carissa, it's been almost 9 years since we started our relationship. And look at us now. We're celebrating our wedding ceremony. Salamat sa pagiging matatag na partner, sa pag-support sa lahat ng bagay na akala ko hindi ko kaya, pero andiyan ka pa para sa akin.
I love you. Those 3 words are just so simple. Pero, you know, how it feels naman, diba, being in the same group. So, alam mo, walang iwanan. We'll always be here for you no matter what. I love you forever. You're like my little sister. And lahat ng pinagdaanan natin is may dahilan. So, alam mo yan. I love you so much. I love you too.
Proud kami sa'yo. Kung paano ako naging proud sa'yo, Bray, ganun ka syempre. Alam ko.
As we start our lifetime together, I promise to never stop holding your sweaty hands. I promise to listen to your latest chismes. I vow to split the cuddle time equally between you and Kobe. I promise to love, respect, protect, and trust you, and give you the best of myself.
Tito, for you, you will like this. I know. You missed a lot last night. Also, Tita, for healthy living.
I promise to love you for all of my days and see you at the altar, my best friend, my love, and I can't wait to spend my lifetime with you. Love, Officer B.
Brian, do you take Carissa here present for a lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
I do.
Be the light when your light starts to dim. I'll be the fight when you got none left to give.
Thank you sa lahat na binigay niyo sa amin ni Isa. Tapos itong gift namin, or gift ko, is lagi kang nawawalan nito, kaya i-regalo ulit namin.
Thank you, my father.
When it all starts giving. I'll be the light.
Carissa, do you take Brian Hill present for a lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
I do.
Brian, you may kiss your wife, Carissa.
I'll be the light.
My B, Brian ko, mahal, love. From today, I will be your registered, legal, and licensed wifey for life. Ang dami na nating tawagan, pero hindi yan matutumbasan ng mga pinagsamahan at pinagdaanan natin sa loob ng almost 9 years of being in a relationship. Ako. Finally, I have someone that I can proudly say we are one. I'm really proud and happy for us. I can thank you for showing me that I was never broken, and that is my favorite part. You truly saw me, you understand me, you accept me in a way, and I believe no one else can.
From the bride, sabihin niyo.
Malit na spray bottle man noon, 3 boxes na ngayon. We We started from the bottom, now we're here. I thank God every day that you have given all your love to me without any hesitation. And even when I'm 80, I will never forget how my heart loved at 20.
I'm so thankful I have you as my true love, my best friend. Nainay of ko, alam ko magiging masaya ka kahit simpleng bagay na bigay ko. See you later, Mrs. Tabigna.
So nuptial love, there are only three adjectives to describe what is nuptial love. First, it must be free. Dapat malaya kayo nagpapakasal. Second, it must be faithful. Hindi pwedeng may kabit. And third, it must be fruitful. Dapat maging bukas kayo sa biyaya ng buhay na ipagkakalaw sa inyo. Jesus.
I vow to honor your love and cherish you through all life's adventure. I will be the first person to love you when you're unlovable. Just know that I look forward to it all. I've been in love with you since I was 20. And now that I'm approaching 30, I consider myself blessed to call you my hubby. And if I could do it all over, I would always choose you to be yours every time. I love you to infinity
I
and
get
beyond.
to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. 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 And they say love is a journey. I promise that I'll never leave. The weight is too heavy to carry. Remember this moment with me. I get to love you. I get to love you. I get to love